In this session, let's see what is sensors and the different types of sensors. In an electrical circuit or a system, to perform the task, it needs to communicate with the real world by reading the inputs. Input signal will be in the form of voltage or current, and sensors are used to read the signals. Sensor is a device that detects or responds to any change in a physical parameters like heat, pressure, humidity, movement, etc. and sends the information to the other devices. Or in other words, you can say sensors are used to convert the physical phenomena into an electrical signal. And there are different types of sensors available in the market. Active element of the sensor is called as a transducer. Transducer is a device Transducer is a device which converts one form of energy into another form. Sensor is an input device which sends a physical quantity and converts into the electrical signals. Actuators are used to convert the electrical signals to physical quantity to control some external devices, for example, movement or sound. Here you can see the example of microphone and loudspeaker. Microphone here is a sensor which sends the voice and it will amplify or controls it and it will give to the output device. That's a loudspeaker. This is a actuator. Sensors are basically classified into two types: active and passive sensors and digital and analog sensors. Active sensors means that requires external power to operate. Example: microphone, thermistors, strain gauge, capacitive and inductive sensors. The active sensors is also called as a parametric sensors. Passive sensors generates its own electrical signals and does not require any power source. Example: thermocouples, magnetic microphones, piezoelectric sensors and photodiode. Passive sensors is also called as self-generating sensors. Next, let's see digital and analog sensors. Digital sensors are discrete sensors that provides or detects on and off signals. Example: limit switch, proximity sensors, optical sensors. Analog sensors that converts a variable physical quantity into a signal that control system can understand. Example: thermocouple, pressure sensor, analog proximity and RTD. There are different types of sensors are available in the market. Temperature sensor, proximity sensor, IR sensor, light sensor, ultrasonic sensor, touch sensor, color sensor, humidity sensor, vibration or tilt sensor, flow and level sensor, pressure sensor and accelerometer. Depending on the application and depending on the users, we'll choose the sensors. First, let's see temperature sensor. Temperature sensors are used to measure the changes in the temperature. There are different types of temperature sensors are there, like temperature sensor ICs, thermistor, thermocouples, RTD. Temperature sensors are used everywhere like computers, mobile phones, automobiles, air conditioning system and in industries. Next, proximity sensor. Proximity sensor is a non-contact type sensor that detects the presence of an object. Proxi- Proximity sensors can be implemented using different techniques. Some of the application of proximity sensors are mobile phones, car, industries, and ground proximities in aircraft. In a proximity sensors, there are different types are there: capacitive proximity sensor, inductive proximity sensors. Depending on the application, we'll choose a proximity sensors. Next, infrared sensors or IR sensor. IR sensors or infrared sensors are light-based sensors that are used in various applications like proximity and object detection. IR sensors are used as a proximity sensors in almost all mobile phones. There are two types of IR sensors are there: transmissive, transmissive type sensor and reflective type sensor. In a transmissive type sensor, that IR transmitter and IR detector are oppositely placed. It will be facing each other. When the object comes or a object passes through this IR transmitter and receiver, it will detect the objects and it will give the signal. In reflective type IR sensors, the transmitter and the detector are positioned adjacent to each other. The transmitter and detector will be at the same place. When the object comes in front of the sensors, it will detect and it will give to the detector. IR sensors are used in mobile phones, robots, industrial assemblies, automobiles, etc. Next, ultrasonic sensors. Ultrasonic sensors is a non-contact type device that can be used to measure the distance as well as velocity of an object. An ultrasonic sensors works based on the properties of the sound waves with a frequency greater than the human audible range. Using the time of the flight of the sound wave, an, ultras- an, an ultrasonic sensors can measure the distance of the object. In this, the Doppler shift property of the sound waves is used to measure the velocity of the object. Next is touch sensors. A sensor is a device which detects an object or an individual gets in physical contact with it. It enables a device or object to detect touch or near proximity, typically by human users or operator. These touch sensors are widely used in the mobile or a touch screens and biometrics. Next is flow and level sensor. Level sensor detects the level of the liquids and other liquids and fluidized solids including slurries, granule material, granule materials and powders that, that exhibit an upper phase surface. Flow and level sensors are mainly used in the tanks or a bunkers to measure the level of the materials. And there are different types of sensors are available, and depending on the application we'll go with the sensors.